So in this project, I was looking at the anti-diabetic activity of the olive tree, especially that a lot of people in Mediterranean countries claim that the leaves of olive tree could be used to treat diabetes. So I wanted to see if anti-diabetic activity is only exclusive to the leaves, or if it's inclusive to the rest of the tree as well. I also wanted to see if any kind of commercial products made from the tree in the manufacturing and the packaging of these products, would there be any interference with the overall anti-diabetic activity? So I used 3 products. I used olive leaf pills, which were made from the leaves. I used the leaves themselves, and I used olive oil. And I compared their anti-diabetic activity, which was shown in the form of alpha-glucosidase inhibition. Alpha-glucosidase is an enzyme that is responsible to break down the body sugar, the body storage for sugar into simple sugars and release them into the blood to be used for energy. In diabetes, people would have a high level of sugars in their blood for a prolonged amount of time. Alpha-glucosidase inhibitors would bind to alpha-glucosidase, the enzyme, and prevent it from breaking down those the body sugar storage, and thus would cause ultimately to decrease the levels of blood sugar. I did 2 samples where I did 9 extracts of each of the products using 4 solvents: hexane, ethyl acetate, methanol, and water. And then each of these extracts was diluted and then used later on. So I prepared 2 samples. One sample A, does not have the enzyme, does not have the extract, and sample B has the extract. Sample A would have the enzyme, PNPG, which is a polysaccharide, which the enzyme would also break down into glucose, a simple sugar. And then I had the other sample had the extract in it. And what we did is we compared the inhibition percentage using this formula, which is taking the first sample that does not contain the extract minus the sample with the extract over the sample without the extract. And these values were the optical density values, which is the rate at which the light passes through the sample. And we compared them, like I said, using this formula. Overall, it turned out that the tree as a whole does have anti-diabetic activity in all of it, such as shown in the olive oil, but it was very minimal. And the values are at its highest in the leaves. Also looking at the leaves and the pills, it turns out that the values were pretty close, but the leaves had higher values than the pills.
Cool.